Before we begin, I want to ask you a question honestly. What do you think when you see a difficult maths question? Do you feel, oh no, I can't do this? Do you think it is difficult? Or do you think I'm just not good at maths? Or do you just want to skip it and move on to the next question? If you've ever felt this way, I want you to know something very important. You're not bad at maths, and that's exactly why I created the Maths Confidence Blueprint. For many years, I've taught students of different ages and abilities, and I've noticed something. Very often, the difference between a child who's confident in maths and who's not so good at maths isn't intelligence. It's also not about the number of formulas that they remember. It's something simpler. They know what to do when they don't know what to do. And that makes all the difference. Think about that for a moment. A confident maths learner doesn't necessarily know the answers immediately. And most importantly, they don't just give up because the answer doesn't come immediately. They know that making a mistake doesn't mean that they have failed. That's what we are going to build together. Not your ability to solve maths questions, but your ability to think, try, reason, make mistakes, try again, and learn together. During this course, we are going to work on some very important skills. You're going to learn how to read a maths problem carefully, how to figure out what information you actually have, how to decide where to start, how to spot mistakes, how to check if your answer makes sense, how to approach problems that you have never seen before. Because real mathematical thinking isn't about memorizing a method for every possible question. It's about knowing how to think when the method isn't obvious. And throughout this course, I'm going to keep coming back to 5 simple steps. Read, think, plan, solve, check. Read the problem, think about what you know, plan the approach, solve it, and then check your thinking. These 5 simple steps will become your maths confidence toolkit. So as you begin with this course, I want you to make one promise to yourself. Don't worry about getting every question right. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. And don't say that I'm bad at maths. Instead, start saying, I haven't figured it out yet. There's a lot of difference between both the sentences. One closes the door and the other leaves the door open. So are you ready to look at maths differently? Let's begin. Welcome to the Maths Confidence Blueprint. I'm excited to see what you discover about maths in this course, and more importantly, what you discover in yourself as a learner.